In this font tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the popular offset text outline so you can layer your text. So I'm going to start with a sort of blank canvas. I'm going to select the text box, and I'm going to copy paste with Command C and Command V, or in the editing menu, you can say duplicate. This will give me a second text box with identical text, and I'm just going to move him up. I want to be sure the new text box is layered over the original, so under Arrange, I'm going to select Bring to Front. Then I'm going to double click on the text box, bringing up the Format Shape menu. Under Text Options, I'm going to select Solid Line and No Fill. Then I'm going to move the outline around until I like where it is. You can also use your command and arrows and move it around if you want to make little small movements. And then once you have it where it is, you have your offset text. You can also change the colors if you want to change different fill colors. And you can also, if you wanted to have a dashed type line to make it look like a stitched effect, you can also do that. So there are so many options with this offset text outline. Just play with it until you have something that you love.